The weather was just beautiful this morning, so I packed some goodies so I could have a picnic lunch. I'll show you what I did. First of all, I have a soft-sided insulated lunch bag. It fits very nicely into the doggy carrier that I have, and I could also fit it into either one of my grocery carriers. It's still a little chilly in the morning, so I stopped in at Jack in the Box and got a nice hot cup of coffee, brought it along with me. And yesterday I just kind of poked around the kitchen, looked for some interesting things, put them in some small snack bags, and that was it. And that blue thing that you see up there is just a freezer thingy. You put it in the freezer, and then you put it in a little holder and zip it up. Keeps your lunch nice and cool. I learned a little bit about nutrition in my 20s, and I like to eat healthy, so I'll show you what I bring along, although it changes. I can mix it up a little bit. If you look carefully, you can see some beef jerky, some cheese. I brought along some pieces of chicken. Let's see, inside of that red bowl there is Jell-O. I forgot to bring along a spoon today, so I wasn't able to eat much Jell-O. When I'm done eating, I like to sit there and digest and do a little stretch on the shoulders with the yoga strap, the way they taught me in physical therapy. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to have a very long life because of the parents that I've chosen. You know, genetics. But it's up to me to make it healthy and happy. Thanks for having lunch with me today at the park. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.